we'll consider this direction as a front view directions. So as a part of simple understanding, let's make a box of 80 dimensions, width of 42, right, then 80, depth is 42 and the height is 48. Now in this we are going to draw front view like this. Okay, we are going to place this circle over here and this line will be the hidden line. In the top view we are going to draw like this. There will be the circle, then this will be the full line and this will be the hidden line like this. Okay, this will be hidden line and this will be the full line. As a part of side view, this will be the situations, right? So let's try to solve this in AutoCAD. So let's begin with drawing front view. So let's draw 80, then 48, sorry, not 48, 18. Then on the left side, the dimension is 80 minus 50, 30, and half is 15. Okay. Then this will be the 48 minus 18. So it will be 30. This will be the 50. Again, let's project it like this. And again, let's track it and complete it. And enter. Now let's draw the center. Let's draw the circle, C space. Now it is situated from the right bottom corner at 40 in horizontal direction and vertical is 27. So shift right click from this point. So shift at the rate minus 40, comma, in y direction, positive direction 27. D space. Now diameter is 30. Now let's draw, before that let's save the drawing and let's draw the hidden layers. So here it is, total height is 18, so the 9 is given. So from here I will go up by 9 millimeter and I will draw 80. Okay. Now let's try to draw the upper part, which is having 20 millimeter hidden line. Okay. So from here, so 20, so it will be 10 millimeter. So 10 like this, 50. Let's also draw, let's trim this part because it is not going to visible, because the center circle is going to remove that material. Okay. Now let's draw the top part, which is the front view of a hole having dimension of 14. So from here I will draw, take 7 dimensions and drop it like this. Again I will repeat the line, I will track it and 14, right? Now let's trim the part, this one and this one. Okay. Now let's draw the center lines to complete the front view. So here it will be like this, up to this, and for horizontal it will be like this. So probably the front view is completed. Now let's try to draw the top view. So here let's start from here. So track this point and leave it at least 20 or 25 distance, and the top the depth is 42. Track this, again track this. So this is a simply box concept. Okay. So student, don't worry. So in front view and top view, what is common? Width is common. In front view and side view, the height is common. So I utilize the common dimensions to draw the dependent views. Now let's draw the another part of top view. So let's project like this, 42. Similarly, let's project from here to here, it is 42. Now let's draw the center circle. C space, shift right click, midway between 2 points, because it is given in the exactly in the middle. Okay. So D space 14. Now the slot 20, horizontal slot 20, and this is 42. So subtract it. So we'll get 22. So the 11 will be the offset distance. So O space 11. So this line and this line. Okay. Now the part of this line, that is center part, will be the hidden part, and this will be the full line. So we have to break this line. So go to here and choose this break option, break at a point. So select this part and choose this. Reinitiate the command, select this part and break it over here. Again, select the options, break a point, select this entity and click it over here. Again, start the functions, choose the option and break it over here. So we have separate center part. So keep it, move to the hidden layer. Now let's talk about the big circle in the front view. Let's draw its top view, which has got 30mm dimensions. So choose the hidden part and drop it over here. From here to this is 11. Okay. Then again from here it is 11. Now let's mirror this. Okay. This part and this part. Okay. It would be easy for us. So I think the top is almost complete. Nothing has left. Now let's try to complete the side view. Before that, save the drawing. Go to zero layer. Go to zero layer. Okay. Now leave it distance by 20mm or 25mm. Depth is 42. The height is this much, or you can see in the drawing it is 48. So this will be the 42. So it's simply a box concept, nothing else. Now let's try to draw the left hand side view. So from here, this will be 11. The depth will be 9 because total is 80, and this is 20. This is 9 and the complete 11. Okay. Now let's try to complete another part. So from here it will be this line, and from here it will be this line and this line. Now let's try to draw the circle part. So for that, let's use the symmetry of the part, that is center line. Okay, like this. So I'm going to use copy functions like this, and this will be my main point, and over here. Now if you focus carefully, then the length will be is shorter. So let's extend it by using extend command. Here use the boundary options, and this will be your boundary. Okay, as of now, and select this and this. Okay, now try to complete the side view of a big circle. So draw this. From here it will be like this. From here it is 42. Then repeat it again. From here it will be 42. Okay. Now let's merge the top circle and the horizontal circle like this. Okay. So hopefully the side view is completed. So student, this is how you can complete the part. If anything miss out, please draw yourself.